are vulgar. But other people make money other ways. This just happens to be how I do it. Oh my God, he's going the wrong way. We're gonna die. I can see.
Oh yeah, truck stop food. So we're here at Patty's 1880s Settlement. Ale here. Actually, it's Bud Light. Yeah. It's working for me. It's working. Burger. No tater tots. Went with the Texas steak there. New sauce. That plugs into there, and then that cord goes into an iPhone and allows it to, when your iPhone rings, you can pick up this phone and talk on your iPhone like this. There's just something unique and fun about holding this, you know, because that's the way we all learn to talk on the phone for long hours and stuff like that. So this is kind of my early Christmas present. I'm not going to reveal to you how much I spent on this because I'm a little embarrassed. Got $60. Let's go find a hooker.